Okay, if you're ever doing these Nissan Versa heater controls, see those little clips in there where you pull the cables out? If you force them, they break. See those little retaining clips? They're actually part of the housing. If you force them over, they actually snap right off. See that? Looking at it, I'm like, how the heck is this going to work out? See on the sheathing, there's those flat spots. Okay. All right, those flat spots, they grab those clips. If you force those clips back, you will break them. What you do is you rotate. Well, so I can do this one-handed. Okay. So what you do is you rotate the outer sheathing until it's not lined up with the flat spots. And that itself pushes those clips apart, right? And then you just pull the cable out. See if I give it a... Hold on. And then you give her a tug, and you pull the cable right out. So don't try prying those clips, you'll break them. And to push them back in, you just line up the flat spots with your clips, push her back in, and we're good. Well, obviously I'm doing heater controls on a Nissan Versa right now. I wish I would figure that out earlier, but there we go. So don't fight with those white plastic little fingers. So don't fight with those white plastic fingers. Rotate your sheath. Rotate the outer sheathing, the outer plastic sleeve. So the round part of the plastic outer sleeve pushes the clips back, and then pull the cables off, and you're good to go.